There was an artist who wanted to teach his student one final lesson. The student had been learning from the artist for over 3 years and had become very skilled. The artist said, "Now you can create beautiful art and make a good living. But there is one last thing you need to learn: how to handle people's opinions." The artist asked the student to draw a picture of a grand castle and hang it where many people could see it. The student was also told to write a sign underneath the said, "Please mark any mistakes in my drawing." The next day, when the student returned, the castle drawing was covered in marks. Feeling sad, the student showed the drawing to the artist. The artist said, "Don't be discouraged. Now draw the same castle again, but this time write a different sign. Please correct the mistakes in my drawing." The student followed the instructions. The next day, the drawing was untouched. The artist smiled and said, "People are quick to find faults but slow to correct them. Remember, criticism doesn't define your worth. Keep believing in yourself and your work." Follow for more, subscribe for more moral stories. Thank you.